for me anymore. There we go. Door's locked. We successfully survived our workday. And I am beat. I was literally the break shift nurse, but it was one of those break shift nurse shifts where I was so busy that I am now very, very exhausted despite not having to do much charting. I wonder how many steps I even got today. Oh, yep, 9,775 steps. So we'll probably hit 10,000 steps today, which I'm not surprised. I was like, it's gonna be one of those days. Tonight we are filming a night routine video, post shift and not having to work tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you guys basically what I do to kind of like reset my routine. I try to actually have a pretty productive night, even though I just got off work, because I like to reserve my off days as like more pure off days. I do push myself to like get a lot done, even though my body physically is so tired right now. I get tons of questions about how I do it. So I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna start with the first step, which is to make a to-do list, which sounds crazy, I know. If I sit down and chill for too long right now, then I'll never get anything done. So I have to like make the list immediately. I think I'm gonna push myself to take a shower and then have dinner. I feel like I'll feel better after I shower anyway. First thing, make list. You know, we have to give ourselves little wins. I make a very easy to-do list post shift because I like to break every task up so that I can acknowledge that I'm taking steps forward. We're gonna shower, wash our hair, we're gonna have dinner. We need to wrap my gift for my friend Cam. It's her birthday coming up so soon and we're gonna celebrate tomorrow. We also need to tidy the kitchen. I have like a bunch of dishes that I've been drying. Included in that is I'm gonna put clean living room because I had a little whoopsie this morning when I was packing my lunch and I spilled rice crackers all over the ground and I was running like 5 minutes late, which is cutting it a little close for me. So I decided to just leave the crackers and it's now an evening problem. So we're gonna clean our living room too. We're also gonna tidy the entryway. Is like messy. There's just like too much stuff around. Things need to be tidied. We need to do the dishes, check and reply to emails. Anyway, I'm gonna add a couple more things to this list and then we're gonna get cracking.
Let me know if you changed your mind. 'Cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible at night. Fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking. Yeah, I won't say anything to you. Oh, I won't say anything to you. Yeah, I'll never say. No, I'll never say. 'Cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible at night. Fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking to you.
We washed our hair, did some cleanup stuff. I forgot that I had my laundry that I put in the dryer like 2 days ago and I still haven't folded it. And people may think, oh, you're crazy, but I swear it works just to incrementally do it. And now I'm like, perfect. I can add to my to-do list to fold and put away my laundry, but at least I got it started on a day that I had time. We cleaned the kitchen and the living room and the entryway and we did the dishes. I'm at the point where I need to have dinner because I'm so hungry. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. What time is it? Oh, it's like 8:44. No wonder I'm so hungry. But thank goodness this video is sponsored by Factor. You guys know I love working with them. It is so convenient on nights like this where I don't have to dirty up the kitchen for only me, but I make sure I get quality food in my body. If you guys have not heard about Factor, Factor delivers fresh, never frozen meals that are ready in 2 minutes. Their gourmet chefs create an awesome menu and have a wonderful selection of over 35 different meals that you can select week to week. Factor is also super flexible. You can change the number of meals that you receive from week to week. They have vegetarian options, keto-friendly options, protein-packed options, and honestly, their stuff is so good. I had a meal already from them for lunch and it was great. We're gonna pick out our dinner. I have 2 factory meals left. I have a green goddess chicken, and I also have a vegetarian tamale bowl, which I've had this one before, and it's one of my favorites. I think I want the green goddess chicken. I'm so hungry at this point that it sounds really delicious. And to go with my dinner, I'm gonna have one of their fresh pressed juices. These are so incredible. This is the pineapple turmeric basil. They're just so good. It's so nice to always have something like delicious on hand and to hydrate post shift. We're gonna pop this in the microwave. It literally takes 2 minutes. Here we go. Just like that, dinner is served. It's literally so fast. This is our delicious green goddess chicken, and we have some green beans and mushrooms on the side. I'm gonna do a little taste test review for you guys before I eat this really quickly because I'm so hungry. We're gonna get all flavors included in the bite. Little chicken, little green bean, little mushroom. This is a good one. I haven't had this one before. My first green goddess chicken. I'm gonna eat my dinner, but if you guys wanna try Factor for yourself, be sure to head to factor75.com or click the link in my description box. Use my code 50Kiara to get 50% off your first box plus free shipping. That's code 50Kiara for 50% off your first box plus free shipping. I'm gonna feast, and then we're gonna continue our productivity, fold some laundry, do some emails, get some work done.
It's gonna happen. Don't really know when. Just know that it's with you, with you, with you, with you. Now it's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you change your mind. 'Cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible and not.
All right, you guys, we're making our way through our to-do list. We're doing pretty well. I finished folding all my laundry, blew through my hair. Now I just really have all my computer work left to do after I wrap Cam's gift. See if I can find a cute, tiny little bag. I just got her a couple like fun things. Some Swedish fish from Bon Bon. This really cute little magnetic frame for a Polaroid. A little Makeup Forever thing that the lady at the store was like, this is a must. Our big, like, fun, exciting thing is that we are going to Knot Springs tomorrow, which is like a hot tub, soaking, sauna, cold plunge sort of place. Little spa situation. And then we're gonna go get food afterwards. I'm really excited, and I just obviously want to spend time with her, but I wanted to get her a couple little goodies so that she would feel loved on her special day. I feel like I have like one more thing that I was gonna throw in here. I think I do. I have like this cute little wallet with cherries on it because she loves cherries. Oh, that's cute. This'll do. Let's see if I can get my tissue paper. I still need to write her card, but I'm starting to really hit a wall because I did not sleep well last night, and I think after a busy day and not sleeping well, like it's really starting to add up, and I'm really tired. We're trying to do the best we can getting through our to-do list, and I feel like that in and of itself is a win. And if I can stay up long enough to deal with all of my emails and reply to all my text messages, I feel like that also would be a win. So I think we're gonna aim for that. And my foot's cramping. I think that's the game plan. I need to find her other gift to add in here. Essentially have this as close to ready to go as possible, since I have a feeling tomorrow's gonna be a really busy day for me. Cute. Trying to hype myself up to keep going, but I'm slowing down. It's because I sat on my bed to fold the laundry. That always, every time you sit, you can just mess yourself up. We're going back to the list. Gotta cross a couple things off here. Did this, we had dinner, we wrapped the gift, we blew dry the hair. I am not gonna have time to journal. This is what happens every single time. I did my room. All right, we're gonna brush our teeth in case we fall asleep in our bed. Then at least we're ready for bed. All right, we're compromising here. I'm getting myself prepared for tomorrow. Putting Cam's cute little card that I got her. She loves sushi, and this one's adorable. It says like the good times roll right by my bedside table, because then tomorrow morning I can wake up and write the card. I feel like sometimes I have to juggle this balance of like, okay, at what point do I call it because my productivity now is like not good, and I might as well just wake up tomorrow refreshed and try to like get good sleep by going to bed early and being productive earlier tomorrow. It's hard out here. We're just trying to do our best, but we are tired. Oh my god, it's not even 10 and I'm this tired. Wow. This is a sign that we've been rallying too many days in a row. I'm so proud of how much we got done today because I was pretty tired coming off of today's shift. You really can't beat yourself up about what you can do after a shift. Sometimes I can really surprise myself with how much energy I have, and then sometimes the expectation is there and I don't deliver, and it's okay. We still crossed a decent amount off the to-do list. I wouldn't say that that's like all bad. If I can go to bed by 10, then I can wake up at like 6:30, still get a good amount of sleep, and be pretty productive tomorrow morning. I don't know, I'm thinking that might be the move. I guess I'm probably gonna go through my emails because I'll feel better if I get that part done. That's not a very exciting thing to watch, so I feel like I should end the vlog here. For today's question of the day, I think we gotta do a little rosebud and thorn. And so I played this game with all of my friends almost every time we're together. It's a really good time. I would say my rose of the day was getting the most incredible compliment from one of the families that I've cared for. I cared for this family like right before their transplant, so like day minus 3, 2, and 1. And it's just a really unique time because this family had not had prior experiences really in the hospital and was really new to this transplant experience. And so today, as break shift nurse, I was able to go into this patient's room and catch up with them, and I was like catching a beat for them, and then we got to talking. They said that they have heard like really wonderful things about me from their coworkers, including one of my coworkers who said that they wanted to be me when they grew up. And I was like, that is so sweet that they said that. And they were asking me all about my ski life because I had taken care of them just before I went to my state championship race with my racers. And they're just such wonderful people, and there is nothing like taking care of a family that really fills your cup as a person too. And you look at just their ability to rally through one of the most difficult times in their lives, and it's so inspiring to me. I loved getting to connect with that family again today and hear about some of the things that I talked to them about during that time, because I think it was like really hard mentally and emotionally, and how they implemented some of these ideas to like build things for them to look forward to in the future. So that was my rose. My thorn of the day, maybe just being like tired and having to be busy while being tired. It's just like a little bit harder to rally, but overall the day went by so fast, so I feel like that was not that bad. And then my bud is that I am working on something so wildly exciting. I wish I could tell you guys. If it happens, you will find out probably decently quick. I honestly can't believe that it's happening because it's been a dream of mine for so long, and it may not happen, but the possibility of it happening is really exciting to me, and I can't wait to tell you guys about it. Today's question of the day, leave your rosebud and thorn down below. If you guys don't know what the bud is, it's like something that you're looking forward to. Rose is the good thing, thorn is the meh thing. Another huge thank you to Factor for sponsoring today's video and helping me make tonight happen and today at work with a delicious meal. You guys can use my code 50Kiara to get 50% off your first box plus free shipping at factor75.com or by clicking the link in my description box. I love you guys so crazy much, and I will talk to you so soon and hopefully give you some really exciting updates. I love you. Good night, you guys.
I have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. I just bought me a new condo, and in the same year I moved back home. Guess the 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you were born.